going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a great day. Today we're going to be introducing a brand new vehicle to the channel. Now if you're new to this channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me. So on this channel I've worked on a lot of vehicles, and currently I've been working on this 99 Corvette that I've been using as a road course car. Basically seeing what I can do to make this thing faster on the road course. And I have this 95 Ford Lightning that I bought basically stock, and now I've lowered it, wheels, supercharger, nitrous, everything. So this thing has gone through a big transformation, and now the next thing is going to be that right there in the driveway, a brand new 2021 Ford Bronco WildTrak with the Sasquatch package. A little bit more on that car here in a little bit, but right now I want to kind of give you guys a little bit of a recap on how long it actually took me to receive that into the driveway, because I know a lot of you guys have had a lot of setback as far as from the dealer on when you received it or when you process your order and how long it's taking you. Some people are actually getting emails about getting theirs next year. So I got some little notes here I wrote down as far as how long it actually took me. So on 7/14/2020 is when I actually reserved a Ford Bronco. On January 22nd of 2021 is when my reservation was actually processed to Ford, and then on 10/21 of this year 2021 was when my car was actually built. So November 10th 2021 my Bronco was delivered to the dealership. So it took about 2 weeks from it being built to delivered to the dealership, and then it took me another week to actually go pick it up because I had a busy schedule. But anyway, so yeah, it took me a little bit over a year from reserving the Bronco to actually receiving it into my driveway, about a year and 2 months. So I know some of you guys are frustrated. I know I was frustrated as well. I gave up actually looking because I kept getting pushed back as far as when the vehicle was going to be built and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, like I said, I just gave up on looking, and out of nowhere I got it built and then it got delivered, so I got lucky. Anyways, yeah, so this is a 2021 Ford Bronco WildTrak with the Sasquatch package. Now I did opt for some upgrades and some I did not. One being the side steps. I did not want the side steps because I knew I was going to go ahead and order some, which I already have, which acts as a rock slider slice side step from Go Rhino. And went ahead and ordered some new wheels for the vehicle as well, which I should receive those probably next month. They're in pre-production right now, but that's going to make it look a little bit better. I'm going to show you guys a little bit in the inside here. Now I did opt for the cloth material instead of the leather seats, which I can always go leather if I wanted to. And I did go for the big 12-inch screen, which is a must-have in this vehicle. The 12-inch screen is amazing on the 2021 Bronco. No, so far I have no complaints about the car. Now, like I said, I've had it for the last 2 weeks, and I have roughly almost 1,000 miles. What do I have? I have 800 miles on the vehicle, almost 1,000 miles. And I do want to mention one thing, and that is with the back seat and car seats. So if you're a normal sized adult, you definitely fit back here, no problem whatsoever. It has plenty of headroom, no complaints there. But the thing is, once you add a car seat back here, you limit your space as far as how far you can move the seat back. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I have 2 car seats here, which I had them in the back of the Bronco, but I want to show you guys the room without them. So I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. Now when you go to a 5-year-old and up, they can go ahead and go into like a booster seat, which the car seat is a little bit smaller. It's not as thick and as big as a normal size car seat like you see here. These car seats, if you don't know, are pretty big, as you can tell, compared to like this little booster seat here. It's humongous, guys. It's big. So I'm gonna go ahead and install both of these. All right, so I threw the seats in really quick, didn't tie them down, just threw them in there for now so I can show you guys the space in the back now. Okay, so with the booster seat, like I said, it's not a big deal because it's pretty much even with the seat, and it's going to be just like a normal, basically, adult sitting back here. Not a big deal at all. The seat back does move back a little bit, so there's normal, and then there's back, so it does recline just a little bit to give you a little bit more room back here. The problem is with these larger car seats, as you can see back over there. So that is my normal driving position now. For me, I am 5'9", not a very tall guy, maybe average size. But if you're over 6 foot and you want to go back a little bit more to give you a little more leg room in the front, you may run into some issues there, because like I said, these seats are a little bit bigger than a normal size booster seat. It does move the car seat forward a little bit more, so that's going to limit the space between your child and the seat back of your driver's seat. Now obviously you can move it over here, but if you have 2 kids, or if you have even 2 small kids, have 2 big seats like that, you're gonna do the same thing with this seat. But yeah, it's not too crazy. I'm still sitting, my knees are still good. Still got enough room here, so I do have enough room to move forward. We're about to take this Bronco actually on a road trip in the next couple weeks up to Colorado, which is about a 15-hour trip for us. So it should put this thing to the test, whether it's even road trip worthy and is even comfortable. So we'll do an update video on that as well. And don't forget, guys, I'm also going to be upgrading the bumpers. Going to be adding a winch, a lift, and the whole tent. Okay, it's gonna be getting a whole bunch of stuff done to it. I'm definitely gonna be taking it off-road, maybe even taking off-roading up in Colorado as well while I'm up there. Anyway, so please make sure you like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.